I wanted shelving to put down in the basement. This is in the basement, and I wanted to put just my DVDs and stuff on them. So I decided to use decorative boxes and some white shelving, which I got from Home Depot, to make my shelf, because I did not want to use the brackets and the nails and the hammers. You know what it's like. And this is what I did. The boxes are not just standing there or sitting there, they are also used as storage. Okay, so I am going to show you how I did it, and it's easy, and I'm sure you're looking at it and you know what I've done. You don't even have to watch my video, but please stay tuned and watch. I should have said that. Yeah, stay tuned and watch and see how I did it. This board is a white shelving. I purchased from Home Depot and they cut it for me. Dimensions are 5/8 by 11 1/4 by 72 inches. Okay, so it is 72 inches in length, and in depth it's 11 1/4 inches. Okay, and then this is cut to give me a 36-inch length. Okay, that's that. And then these decorative boxes are about 4 inches in height and about 11 1/4 in depth. So it fits exactly with the dimensions of the board. So they're 4 inches high. So there's 3 of them. You need 3 of them. So 3 of them will give you a little over 13 inches in height. So your shelf is going to be about a little over 13 inches in height. So all you do is you put it at the very end of the board, right? It fits exactly from front to back, and you just place it there. It really helps if you actually have items inside to keep it sturdy, but if you don't, that's fine. It's just that it's going to shift a little bit. Okay, then I'm just going to move over here, and then I'm going to place this 3 set over here. Same way. Line it up. That's it.
Okay, make sure it's even. Actually, I'm sorry. This should be lined up with the box. This other set. You see this other set down here?
And then we're just going to put the board on. So all you do is just place it like that. From one end over here. And this should not reach the end. This should come somewhere in the middle. This should come somewhere in the middle of this box. Okay? In the middle of the box, or a little over the middle, because you're going to join the next shelf to it. We end up saving boxes this way and space, because if we didn't put them all both on this box, we'd have 2 separate boxes and we'd be taking up a lot of space. So that's why I did it that way. All I used were these boxes, these decorative boxes, to hold everything together. The boxes are weighted down with my old VHS. I have a lot of VHS that I didn't really want to get rid of yet, so I've kept them and I put them in the box. The boxes probably shouldn't just be used for decorative purposes. It should be used probably for storage also. If you have some items that you don't want to throw out, you want to keep. It's a 1, 2, 3 shelf on one side, and the other side is 4 shelves. Now, I also used 3 boxes each, as mentioned before, 3 boxes each, but on the very top shelf I used 2 for a nice visual effect. So on one side you'll notice that I have a children's section with books and children's activities, and on the other side I have a more adult theme which holds DVDs. I'm Jamaican, so I have some Jamaican movies, folklore, and also Nigerian and Ghanaian movies, which I like to watch. This is this pink teddy bear that my daughter had for years. I think my brother gave it to her. Now she's like 29. And it's a little pink teddy bear, and he is reading The 3 Little Pigs. I love books. I think books are very important from an early age, and it gets your kids going. So above this nice little pink stuffed teddy bear, I have a little boy who is sitting in a green wing chair reading my storybook. Okay, my daughter did that for me. She drew it, And above, he's being taken away into the sky by 3 large balloons. So that's a nice little display for a kids area or kids activity area. So this here is a little cartoon character that you saw earlier that was floating or being carried away on the balloon. So Jamila, my daughter, is going to show us how she went about coloring this cartoon character. So we're back, and Jamila is starting. She's starting to give color to the picture. She's using some blue. What color is this, Jim?
It's blue.
It's blue. Oh, sometimes you have special names for these. And is it the same name as the other?
Sky blue or something.
Sky blue. And it's the name of this marker is?
Copic.
It's the same Copic from Japan, right?
Copic.
Copic. Copic. And that's spelled K?
C-O-P-I-C.
C-O-P-I-C. Okay. So he's going to be wearing blue pants. Now the reason why this picture is I'm filming upside down is because it's the only way at this point that I can actually fit everything in so that you viewing from home can see. I'm going to try and turn the camera around, try the other side afterwards. But for now, I'll just show it from this way. So you've outlined it all, eh, Jim?
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. It's nice to be able to draw. I guess everyone has their skills. It's very nice. It's like almost like watercolor markers. Is that like watercolor markers, Jim?
No, we're just alcohol-based markers.
Alcohol-based?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. I like the way it, the effects that you've just done gives a nice effect. It's 2 different color blue. One's sky blue and the other one is like a darker...
Ultramarine.
Ultramarine, yeah. It gives a nice blend. So that's what it looks like so far. He looks dreamy, his eyes. He's just lost in reading. So Jem's been coloring since, or not, well, drawing since she was just a little baby. And it shows. Very nice. See, I could not do that in one go. I would make about 10 mistakes. I would have made 10 mistakes by now. Okay, oh wow, so wow, that's nice, Jim. Come along fine. So we're at the tail end of, well, not really the tail end. Jamila still has to go through coloring the chair. And, oh, you did the running shoes. Okay, so that's what we have so far. Oh wow, that's wonderful. Very nice. Okay. So the only thing she has left to do now is to like zoom out, is to do the chair. And it's wonderful. And maybe give the book a title. And I think she'll be done. Wonderful. Don't mind the other sample, the other side. She's just testing colors on that side. Okay, so yeah, this is going to be the actual picture. And I guess that we will show you, when she's finished, we will show you the end result. Okay, so we're almost there. We have to leave you with some, we have to leave it some element of surprise. Is that the way to say it? Yeah. Okay, so we will come back.